Almost. I got stalled about about 2/3 of the way up. So.
Yeah. That's the hardest part for the whole night.
Yeah, right.
It's just straight down here, and then it's along the straight again, and then we're onto the trails, and the trails are like really smooth.
Okay. Yeah. Where are we?
So we're here.
Yeah.
And the track's divided into the southern half and the northern half that you can't see. We do the southern half, and it's along the ridge line.
Yeah.
It's really nice. You come all the way across, and then there's like a halfway stop break. You can run off to the campground, go to the toilet and grab a drink.
Yeah.
And then you come across to the start of it's around about here, the start of so it's just after the bridge, the start of the second track. The second track comes around and goes all the way around. Takes about the same time, about 20 minutes each side, depending on how fast you go.
Yeah, okay, well.
And then so you end up finishing just over here.
Yep.
You end
and
up
where's the
coming
car
out there.
park? Where's the car park back?
And the car park is back this way, and we're parked over here.
Okay.
So we went over the...
Yep, okay, I'm with you.
Yeah.
Instead of through the tunnel.
Yeah, instead of through the tunnel, you can go tunnel, over the tunnel, or around the tunnel.
Right.
The funnest is always over, which is what we did.
Well, I haven't been over it before. I've been through it. I haven't been around it.
It's very rocky. But yeah, it's super fun.
Yeah.
Let's go catch up to Beate on the trail here.
Yeah, okay.
Piece of cake. Crazy.
How good's that?
Yeah. Do you know what's crazy? You follow someone without any lights on, so you have to use their lights. It's so scary.
Who had light? You had no light?
Yeah, I turned my light off to follow Richard's light.
Oh, right.
So I've got like about 15 metres of like no light riding as like.
This comes out on the road down there, doesn't it?
I know, it goes quite a way around and we go along another ridge on the other side.
Okay.
Like we're pretty much on that map how we did like a big loop.
Yeah.
We're up to that loop. The path is like down there in the horizon at the bottom of the valley. So we kind of follow this for a bit and then we hit the road at the bottom.
Cool. Okay. Shall I keep going and just... Alright.
Yeah, keep going.
like the advanced randomizer, as long as it's to and from Camfield.
Yeah. Yeah, well, we pretty much always start at the Camfield. Yeah, I really
I don't think I'd enjoy it as much if I had to pedal up the hill.
Even that is fine.
This next hill's a bitch.
Yeah.
You going to push yourself?
I can push you up. I can't push one up.
No, you push the two of us. Hey, you just push yourself.
I should have bought a tow rope.
Push yourself.
I got a tow, a tow hitch, and give it a try. Just like, yeah.
Spin out some dirt and it all goes over them.
No. After you then.
Yeah, it'd be hard on Brucky Bumpy.
Yeah.
Shall I get going?
Yep, hit it.
Alrighty.
Just watch out for the right hand
Are
turn.
you not standing
About
at all?
200 metres after the valley.
Michael's got a horse seat on his.
Yeah, I was looking at
What the heck?
That's it.
Michael, get up.
Giddy up.
You missed it.
Oh, did I?
Yeah.
That's it there.
Yeah. That's the only turn off that you can get wrong.
Oh, okay.
All the other ones are good. Everyone misses it.
very much fun. Really good workout too. Riding a horse and working it. Straight ahead.
Straight up, that's up.
Got a bit of a drift. Got a bit of a drift there, sorry. That's awesome, mate.
Yeah.
Right, I'll do that again.
Were you able to catch me, or was I going faster than you? Hey?
What?
How bizarre is it that like half, like one side's just so warm, but
Yeah.
it's warm here.
It's really crazy, yeah.
Yeah.
The temperature drops up the hill.
Yeah.
It worn my cover.
Yeah, there was like a cold side to it, yeah?
Yeah, I was cold. Yeah, you would have been. I put on my fingers.
Was I really fast? You couldn't catch me, right?
Yeah, it was very fast now. And downhill, we were going 35, 37.
Really?
Yeah, banging it along.
It's great fun.
Banging.
Yeah.
Speedy Gonzalez.
I managed to not fall off,
Yeah.
which was good.